Hi, I'm Lisette from Tool Tester. If you're looking to step up your email marketing game and execute some ultra-targeted campaigns, you're probably considering ActiveCampaign. But what exactly does it include, and is its slightly elevated cost worth it? In this video, we'll take you through all the pros and cons of ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is our top email marketing tool, but it's also one of the more expensive providers out there, so you really need to be sure it's right for you. Its top features include a fast drag-and-drop newsletter builder, advanced sales and marketing automation, contact management software, a host of well-designed templates, and in-depth reporting, to name a few. Inside the tool, you can see it's pretty well laid out. It has a well-organized menu and easy-to-read dashboard. You can also move around and remove sections as needed. Let's create a new campaign. Here, you're given various options. For example, you can set up an autoresponder, an A/B test, or a more complex automation workflow. Let's have a look at a standard email for now. After you've chosen your list and template type, you can navigate to the designed templates. There are more than 250 templates to choose from, all of which you can preview in both the desktop and mobile version. You can also create your own or use a previously saved template. Editing the template is fast and easy to do. You have plenty of content blocks and styling options. And if you have an online store, you can add your products or services using the product block. You can also save blocks for later and set your global settings, which will save you a ton of time. A unique feature to ActiveCampaign is that you can segment contacts without leaving the email builder. You can add a campaign action for every link that appears in your email. For example, you can instruct ActiveCampaign to add or remove contacts from a list or add them to an automation. As I said before, one of ActiveCampaign's highlights is its marketing automation features, which allow you to create both simple and complex automations for campaigns, contacts, and deals. Let's see what you can do. Once you create a new automation, you're given a host of templates that you can edit to fit your purpose. These range from welcome series to e-commerce automations, so you won't be stuck without ideas. Let's set up an abandoned cart automation. Click here to configure your settings, like which products to apply the automation to. You can also segment the contacts entering this automation here. Set how long it should wait and which email to send, and you're good to go. This is a great way to recover what could have been lost sales. Another ActiveCampaign top feature is its contact relationship management software, or CRM for short. You have a breadth of information available, including your contact's location, any tags they've been assigned, actions they've carried out, and also any pages they visited on your site. Setting up web forms with ActiveCampaign is pretty straightforward. At the fields you need here, you'll find there are plenty of options, and you can add custom fields by hitting the plus sign. You probably don't want to include the ActiveCampaign branding. Luckily, you can get rid of that by hitting this toggle. You can also set up an automation workflow here. The only downside to ActiveCampaign's form builder is that you don't have any form templates, so you'll need to edit the styling options yourself in order to adapt it to your branding. The reporting is very comprehensive, offering you insight into almost all facets, including page visits, geo-tracking, click rates, e-commerce, and more. Note that conversion attribution reporting, that is, an analysis of any given customer's journey up until conversion, is only available on the professional plan. Though ActiveCampaign doesn't offer a free plan, you do have the bonus of being able to send unlimited emails to your contacts. And all plans come with access to the marketing automation features. The Plus plan is for those who wish to expand into omni-channel marketing and manage their deals, contacts, and campaigns all in one place. You'll have access to Facebook custom audiences, be able to set up dynamic landing pages, send out automated SMSs, and you'll benefit from advanced performance reporting. Of course, it's not cheap. This plan will set you back $70 a month, though there is a discount if you commit to the whole year. For the most up-to-date pricing information, make sure to check out our website. It's difficult to fault ActiveCampaign. It really is one of the best email automation tools out there. But Let's recap its pros and cons. ActiveCampaign's major benefits are 1. Its powerful marketing automation and advanced segmentation options set it apart from the competition. The email editor is easy to use, and you have a whole host of email types to choose from, including split testing, autoresponders, and date-based emails. ActiveCampaign also boasts very good deliverability rates. This can change, but so far, we've seen consistently good results in our biannual tests, but visit our website for its most up-to-date numbers. I should also mention that live chat support is really helpful. You even have one-on-one training on the Pro plan and higher. Plus, ActiveCampaign will help you move over from another email marketing tool completely for free. Some potential disadvantages of ActiveCampaign are: if you own a small business with basic newsletter needs, pricing might be an issue. It is one of the more expensive tools out there, and there is no free plan. But if you have the budget and are planning to use its advanced automations and segmentation capabilities, it may very well be worth the investment. Also, it might be a little overwhelming for complete beginners to use at first, so be prepared to invest a little bit more time learning the ropes. Lastly, there are no form templates available. Thanks for watching our ActiveCampaign review. We hope you enjoyed it. But for a full review of ActiveCampaign and other email marketing platforms, please visit our website by clicking the link below. And feel free to give us a like or subscribe if you'd like to see more email marketing software reviews and tips for how to grow your business.